Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for July of 2019. This is actually my birthday month, so I was super excited about it. It's like a birthday present, but I actually get a birthday present every month with Boxycharm. So let's just get right into this. So the first thing, I did open it because I wanted to see what I had, because that's why I'm only wearing some makeup, because I'm going to apply what I got in here. So when you first open the box, they have this little flash facial, $10 at Ulta Skin Bar. So it's like, I guess, a little coupon or something. Or it's just telling you about an event that they're having. And this month's theme is All Natural. And this is what the card looks like. I got variation number 1, and you can tell by the number 1 with the heart at the very bottom. I also might add, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size items retailing at least $100 and up every month. And then every 3 months, every third month, they have what is called a Boxyluxe, and all it is an upgrade to your regular Boxycharm box, and it's an extra $28.99 or $28.99, and all it is you get a bigger box, and it's worth over $300 worth of product. So it's just an add-on. You don't have to upgrade if you do not want to upgrade to the Boxyluxe. You can stick with the Boxycharm, which is only $21 a month. So let's get into this. Okay, so the first thing that's inside the box is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and it is nourishing pure biotic green mask. So all this is a face mask, and it retails for $35, which is amazing because this alone is worth more than the entire box. Awesome, right? So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I've not opened yet. Okay, so it's sealed, which is awesome. I actually have so many face masks open right now. I may take a while to use this. I don't know, I say that. So I'll probably end up using it. Maybe I'll do a video using that. I don't know yet. Okay, so next thing that's in the box, let me see. Ooh, are this brush set, and it's by Lexie. I love Lexie brushes. They are so well made, very good quality. Okay, so there's a foundation brush, and this is the 510 foundation brush. Really soft, very well made. I like the pink wood. And then they have a precision crease brush, which is the Lexie 246 brush, and all it is like, if you want a curve, you can put like concealer on or use it to clean up your eyeliner. That's actually a really nice brush to have in your collection. And the last brush is the Lexie 250 large eye blending brush. So it's basically just like a crease brush, but you could also apply shadow on the lid. So this can be a universal brush, which is awesome. And this set retails for $30. So, I mean, $35, $30, amazing, right? I know. Okay, the next thing that's in the box, let me take out this, is the Butter London, and it's an eyeshadow palette. I love the packaging on this. It's very like rustic looking. I love it. I'm like really into the farmhouse decor, if you cannot tell by my by my room, the way it's decorated. This is actually the spare room. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I'm going to be creating a look right now using this palette. I really don't see they have 2 matte colors, and it is a dark brown and a blue, so really not something that you would use as a transition shade. So I'm actually going to go in with the same palette that I used to contour, and I'm going to go into with a transition shade because I want this look to turn out nicely. And before I finish doing this retails for $32. So everything's been like $30. And for the transition shade, if you've been a charmer for a while and you got the Boxyluxe, we did receive the Tarte Avenue Princess palette in one of the Boxyluxes, and so I'm just going to use the shade Princess Cut, and I'm just going to use that for my transition shade. So you just want to look down and put it in the crease. And now that I've applied the transition shade, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown color that's inside this Butter London palette, and I'm using the brushes that I received in this month's box, and we're going to darken out the crease, the outer edge, and I'm going to bring that down into the corner. These are very pigmented, so I'm going to blend it. This brush is a little more bigger than I'm used to, so it is like covering a lot. It's kind of getting a little too thick through here, honestly. I think this brush would be a great brush for just like all around the lid. Same color. It is like a little thick, but hey, we'll make it work. So again, just kind of blend it and then bring it down. Okay, so that's what the eyeshadow looks like. It is a little blotchy. It's not like, I don't know, it's not the best eyeshadow, at least that shade. And let me go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. As you can see, it's just like it's really dry. It's a very dry texture. So not my favorite eyeshadow at all. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the crease, the precision crease brush, and I'm going to go in with this olive green. I don't know, I've been loving olive colors. I'm gonna wet my brush to kind of see. Okay, first I'm gonna try to use the brush dry and see like what the pigment is on its own, and then I'm gonna wet it to see what it's like wet. So that's actually not bad for not being wet. But if you know anything about me, I like to go all out, so I'm gonna wet it and see how it does wet. Oh, now that's much better. I think this brown and this green complement each other very nicely. Very nice. Okay, I do have to go in with another brush just to put some eyeshadow on my bottom, and I'm going to go in with that dark shade again, that brown. I'm just going to put it on the bottom of my lashes underneath. And now that we applied that, I'm going to take a little, I don't even know what this brush is, just like a little tapered brush that comes to a point. And I'm going to take this lightest shade right here, and I'm going to go underneath the brown bone and highlight the inner corner of my eye. Wow. It's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so this color looks a lot lighter, but when you actually apply it, it looks like this color, like how it looks in the pan. It's a lot darker than what it looks. It's a pretty highlight shade. What is this one? Okay, I'm gonna swatch some of these on the back of my hand. So the first one is this, that Queen. Okay, so those are to the green, and then Diva is that shade, and then the blue one is the one that I did not. That blue is really dry. So the matte shades are very dry, but the shimmers are just like really, really soft and very pigmented. So that is what the palette looks like. And I am loving the look that it's creating. I do need to blend it out a little more though. I did not remember that there was a foundation brush, but I really don't gravitate to these type of foundation brushes just because it usually leaves your foundation looking really streaky, and it's not a look that I'm going for. So I'm just kind of blending this all together. First impressions on this palette, I do like the shimmer shades. The mattes are a little dry, but you can work with them. A little blotchy as well. So not the best palette, but not the worst. But I honestly, I wouldn't pay $32 for this palette. To me, that's crazy because the quality's not quite there for that price. So the next thing that's in the box is this eyeliner. It's a gel liner and it's by Apparel. And this retails for $21 and it is just a cream liner. I was seeing if it rolls up. It doesn't. Okay, so let me go ahead and apply this on the bottom of my eyes just to kind of, I'm just going to apply it down here. And then I'm going to blend it out. So that is actually really pretty. And it's a blue, I believe. Is this blue? Oh, it's actually green. It's forest green is the name of this color. So let me go ahead and pop on some mascara and lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm going to take that forest green eyeliner and I'm going to, okay, so apparently as I was recording this tutorial, the video cut out. So I went in with this forest green eyeliner and I tightlined and waterlined my eyes with this. And then after that, I went in with this Alamar Cosmetics. It's a long-lasting, thickening formulated, it's a lip gloss. And to me, it's really sticky. It kind of reminds me of the MAC lip glosses, just like it's one of those lip glosses where everything is going to stick. Like if you bend over, your hair is just going to stick there like it is right now. Like I don't know why, but these lip glosses just really annoy me. But I mean, it is a really pretty shade and everything. It's very neutral and I think it'll go with a lot of skin tones, very summery and stuff. So maybe if you have your hair pulled up or something, I think this would be a really pretty lip gloss, but when your hair is down, it just it drives me insane when I bend over and my hair just sticks to my lips. It's kind of reminds me off of, what do you call that? White Chicks, when the girl gets the hair stuck on her lips and she's like, yeah, I'll insert that video right now if you haven't seen that part. But yeah, that's what it reminds me of. So it drives me insane. And I did enjoy the, I don't know if I said, this retails for $15, which isn't bad for a lip gloss. These brushes, I did enjoy them. To me, this is a little thick for doing just a precision crease brush, but it did do its job. As you can see, I got a really pretty look with it. This is a great brush for getting right into the corners. I mean, it did a wonderful job doing that. I do not like applying foundations with these brushes, but I will probably use it with this face mask because I do apply my face mask with brushes like this. So I'll probably end up trying these two together for that. And I don't know if I already said, but this retails for $21 and I like it. I did like the eyeshadow, the shimmer shades in here. The matte ones were a little dry and they skipped a lot, but in the end results, it did turn out really pretty. And if you wanted to get a metallic lip, you could actually layer these on top of the lip, which I did earlier, but it did not record it. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. You can get this Diva shade and just kind of go over your lips and it can give it a metallic lip look because it's so sticky. And then you can go in with the lighter shade and just kind of brighten up the center. If that's the look you're going for. I really don't like metallic lips that much, so not the look that I'm going for. It's just so sticky, as you can see. These are really sticky. Why do I do this to myself? Yeah, I'm not really enjoying how a workout to blend it out, and it's really streaky as well. So I had to get my finger and just kind of dab it on, because it does get really streaky. And like everything's sticking to my lips. So I don't know. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with that lip gloss already. I like the color, but I just hate how sticky it is. And so this month's value was $133, which is insane because you only paid $21. It did go up. I don't know if it's just California, but we started getting a sales tax for if you order stuff online because you weren't getting taxed on it. And I think it brought it up to like an extra $3 or $4, which was crazy. It started last month. And I was like, what happened? Like, did they go up on their prices? And I asked them, and they are like, no, it's your state started taxing. So yeah, just a little heads up in case you did not know that, and you noticed that more came out of your bank account. Well, that's why, because California loves to take as much money as they possibly can away from you. And that completes this video. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.